So now I'm going to tell you how to use the pneumatic constant temperature filling machine. So first of all, we will need to connect the power. And second, we need to connect the machine to the air compressor. And the air compressor should be about 5 kilograms. And we can check the air compressor in the compressor gauge in here. And next, we'll fill full of water in the tank. After that, we need to open the water recycle in here, the green bottle. And after that, the water will start to recycle by this pipe. After that, we will need to set in the water temperature you need. For example, now I need to set the temperature to 42 degrees or 50. So now it is 50 degrees. After that, we push the red button for the heating. And in here you can see that there are 4 buttons here. And this one is to control the outlet speed. And this one is for the inlet speed. And this one is for manual or automatic filling. And this one is for reset. And here we can control the filling volume. The filling volume is adjustable, and you can see the pointer is moving. You can control the filling volume in here. 转速在这里。In here you can control the steering speed. The steering pedal. And here is the steering pedal. You can control the steering pedal, the steering speed from the button.